Let's talk about Russian pronunciation. There are a few little things that you need to know about the Russian pronunciation if you want to sound more Russian. And these are few things that are about Russian consonant sounds. Let's look at this situation. You come to a restaurant and you'll wait for a waiter for a long time. Finally, you need to say something to draw his attention. So you say, "Могу я сделать заказ?" And here you use a very important verb in the Russian language, which is сделать. This is a very bright example of how a normally voiceless letter S becomes voiced, because it is in the position before another voiced consonant D. So you do not say сделать, you say сделать. Б, П, Би, Пи, В, Ф, Ви, Фи, Г, К, Ги, Ки, Д, Т, Ди, Ти, З, С, Зи, Си, Ж, Ш. So why do we need to know these pairs? The answer is very simple. Because many of these letters, as we speak fluently, they get voiceless at the end of the words. Other consonants become voiced, and that's why we need these pairs to see the correspondences. And now let's look at some examples where actually voiced consonants get voiceless. So the first situation is when we see them at the end of the words. For example, хлеб, много цветов. The other situation is when we find a consonant which is normally voiced before a voiceless consonant, like in these examples, for example, когти, ложка. And finally, there are current situations when we find voiceless consonants that get voiced because we see them in the position before voiced consonants. For example, просьба, отбой, с другом.